Silver cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi girl, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a wig review. The wig I would be reviewing today is from RPGSHOW. I'm really excited for this because just the color of the wig, the frontal, everything, I'm just excited to see what it looks like. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is the wig. This is it, but we're not going to look at that now. Let's see what else comes with this wig. First thing was the headband. Now it's an installation kit. This is my first time receiving an installation kit, and it came with scissors, tweezers, spoolie, blade, you know, all of these things that you use to install your wig. And it also comes with a wig cap, a manual, and a magazine. Now to the wig. When I started opening this wig, the sun decided to shine. I'm like, yes. So can you guys see how shiny, how curly, how beautiful these curls are? This is the frontal part. The knots are very tiny to invisible. You cannot really see. This wig comes pre-plucked, so you do not have to pluck anything if you're someone who's not really good at plucking. Lace comes bleached already, so all you have to do is just cut the front lace and put it on your head. Literally, that's how easy it is. It comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the back, which are also detachable, so you can choose to take it off if you are someone who do not like the combs. It comes with a band attached to it that has about 4 pin sections where you can pin it. There's a mini lace at the back which I'll be cutting off, and I just wanted you guys to see the rest of the wig. This wig also mimics our scalp, so wherever you part the hair from, the back, the front, the middle, it just shows that scalp like imitation, which I also love. This is the hair under like natural light. You can see the colors now. It's like brown. I love the blend of the blonde, the honey brown, and just the brown itself. Oh, I just love how it looks. One thing I love about this brand is they give me the options of colors, and I just think it's really nice to step out of your comfort zone and just do what you love. Now I'm going to put on the wig. Let's see what it looks like. Please always remember to cut the lace at the back because it has happened to me. I went out once without cutting the lace. Don't be me, okay? Now I'm going to place the wig on my head and just see what it looks like. The wig came with a right part, and I'm a left part lover, so you can see me just immediately switching it over to the left part because I do not really fancy a right part so much, so I would just move it over to the left part. This is a side part wig anyways. It comes naturally side part, but I'm just going to try it in the left part, see what it looks like, and show you guys. Now this is the lace. I ordered for a medium cap size just because I know, guys, I understand and I've learned that my head is not the normal small size, so I own that, and I always try to tell brands to give me a medium cap size, and you can see how well that fitted me. Now I'm going to cut the lace, just making sure I am taking out all of the excess lace and not, you know, ruining the hair. Who remember some of my reviews at back then, like a year ago, I always complained about not knowing how to cut lace. But who is this now? Who is this cutting the ears, trying to take out any excess lace from the ears? I used to be so scared of doing this part, but I mean, once you practice makes perfect. You know, you would improve once you practice. So yeah, that's it. That's one thing I'm just happy to share with you guys. So keep practicing in whatever you want to do. Just keep practicing and practicing, okay? I'm going to take this mousse. I haven't added any contour powder or anything, but I'm just going to take this mousse and just attach it or add it to the frontal part, or the place where the frontal ends and the place I cut. Since I want to attempt to wear this wig glueless, because when a wig says it's glueless, I love to try it out glueless before I, you know, try out wearing the hair with glue. So I'm just going to use this hair mousse. I don't know if I use the right type of hair mousse, but this is my first time using hair mousse on the frontal part, and I think I'm going to continue using it because it worked out pretty fine. So I'm going to tie that down because that's what I see people do. People that use the mousse, they tie it down for a while I style the rest of this hair. This is probably my second time working with this hair company, and when I tell you, the first hair that was sent to me, I loved it so much that my friend had to ask, is this your favorite wig now? now because I wore it and overwore it. I had to put it out and rest a bit because what? So to style the wig, I'm going to start by spraying it with water just so we can see what the curls look like. While I was spraying this wig and detangling it with my fingers, there were no tangles at all. Literally, there were no tangles. You guys could see me detangling it. I'm going to add the same mousse I added in front, and I'm also crunching it upwards. If you're someone who has, like, you know, the blow dryer with the comb thing, I don't know, is it called diffuser? I don't know, but if you have that, I would suggest you use it because your curls are going to come out really perfect. But I don't have it, so I decided to just use my fingers to crunch it up. After adding the mousse, I let it air dry for some time, and this is what it looks like. If you want it to be really thin, looking like, you know, you just came out of the water, you can use more water and mousse. But if you don't want it that way, you can just use a little bit of mousse just to get the curls. You can also use water to get the curls. They also have a Black Friday sale coming up, and you can use the code Friday to get up to $130 off your purchase. I'm showing you guys the lace at the back just so you can see that this gives full lace. I used a really dark wig cap, so that's why it seemed dark, but if you use your color, it will be fine. This is the front part. This is without any glue, guys. This is without any glue. It's just the mousse I used, and it attached so well to my scalp or to my skin. As you can see, there's no lifting or anything. Now I'm going to attempt to do a middle part because I just had to try it. I was really interested in seeing what it would look like, and I also wanted to show you guys as well. You can see I was using like a mini comb to comb it through, and there were no tangles at all, or, you know, I didn't find it difficult. Now I'm going to make the middle part, use a hot comb, and you guys should let me know which part looks better on me. Do you think the middle part or the side part? I think the middle part. And also I also looked at it before I added the curls in front, like spraying water with it because there was mousse already. So I liked it during this time when it looked brushed out because it was giving Beyonce vibes. It was giving, you know, Beyonce, it's growing out of my scalp vibe, which I really love. But yeah, let me know which part you prefer. Do you prefer this part this way? Do you prefer the side part, or do you prefer the middle part when it's all curled up? Let me know in the comment section, okay?
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
This is the final look of the middle part, and I would say I absolutely love this wig. I think I'm going to wear it more in the middle part. I'm just going to maybe twist it a bit to create a part and just enjoy this wig. Let me know what your thoughts are about this wig. Please do not forget that there's a Black Friday code Friday that you can get up to $130 off your purchase, so be sure to use that. This hair is so gorgeous. This hair is absolutely stunning. I don't know about you, I don't know what you're saying, but what I'm saying, girl, I don't think my line was straight enough, but bear with me, I'm short-sighted, I cannot see far. But anyways, I just wanted to come in to close this video because I don't think I want to change this style. I think I'm just going to move around my house with this style until I want to take out my wig. But yeah, this style is absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I know one thing with RPG show hair is their hair are always high quality. I'm pretty sure I mentioned earlier in this video the previous review I did for their hair. You guys, my partner had to ask me, is this your favorite hair? Because I was wearing it every single day for like 3 weeks straight. Like I was just wearing it. I was just wearing the hair, and now this one has arrived. What? I can have it full, I can also have it like very curly, and it's just so beautiful. You can also straighten it if you want to, but I don't think I'm going to be straightening this one. I just think it's lovely. I love the color, and I also love the fact that RPG Show gives options of colors, because this hair color, girl, yeah, it's giving elite, okay? Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what your thoughts are about this hair. I really love it. It's really beautiful. I look good. I look gorgeous, and I'm sure you're going to look good in it. Let me know your thoughts, and I would see you guys in my next video. Bye.